are you doing, Jonathan?
Make fires.
You're making flour? Is it hard work or is it easy work?
Easy work. Easy work.
Do you like Mom's Rainmaker grinder?
Yes.
Eventually, I hope you have the pedal attachment, the bike attachment, and that'll make it much easier. I said eventually we'll have the bicycle attachment, and then we'll be able to ride a bike to grind the flour.
You buy me the horn bike?
No.
But why not? I said why not? Huh? Hey, Mom. I just... Huh?
Hold on a second, Jonathan. Let me see. You can see the texture is not as...
Here's me, yeah. Huh?
The texture is not as fine as you'd like it to make some breads and things, so
What about
it will go
Golenia?
through a second grind. And Jonathan was asking, what about the tortellini? We are going to have some tortellini soup tonight, which means we
With
need
sauces.
to make some pasta. Okay, get to grinding.
Huh?
I said, get to grinding. We have many things to be making today.
Huh?
But probably about 3-4 cups of flour ground. And again, it will have to be ground again on a finer setting to make a good bread, but it's not that hard to keep it in. You can do a fine grind probably the first time. It gets harder. Makes it easier on both of us. He likes to grind it loose, and I go ahead and I do it when it's the finer grind.
Huh?